Hey there! Welcome back to English Unveiled. I'm Elena. Today, we have a slightly different episode for you. It is shorter, faster, and designed to give you an instant upgrade. Think of this as your English power snack. I want to talk about a trap that almost every learner falls into. It's a trap that steals the color and emotion from your speech. It makes you sound a little bit robotic. It is the very trap. We use the word very for everything, don't we? I am very happy. It is very cold. She is very good. Now listen to me carefully. There is nothing wrong with this grammar. It is correct, but it is lazy. It sounds like a robot with a limited battery who only knows one way to make words stronger. But you are not a robot. You are a human with complex feelings. So today, we're going to delete the very from your vocabulary. I am going to give you 5 power words to use instead. These are the words that make you sound confident, intelligent, and truly natural. Ready to upgrade your English in just a few minutes? Let's begin. Let's start with a feeling we all love. Very happy. Imagine you got a new job, or you are getting married. You aren't just very happy. That is too small for this big emotion. Instead, say thrilled. Thrilled means extremely happy and excited. It feels like electricity. Listen to the difference. Option A, I got the job. I am very happy. Option B, I got the job. I am thrilled. Can you hear it? Thrilled has energy. It tells people you are celebrating. Number 2, after a long day of hard work, your body hurts. You can barely keep your eyes open. You are very tired. Don't say very tired. It sounds weak. Say exhausted. Exhausted means you have zero energy left. You are completely empty. I can't come to the party tonight. I am completely exhausted. This word paints a clear picture. People will understand immediately that you need rest. Number 3. It's winter, the wind is blowing, you are shaking. It is very cold. No, it is freezing. Freezing literally means turning into ice. We use it to say it is uncomfortably cold. Put on a jacket, it's freezing outside. This word has power. It makes the listener feel the cold air. Number 4. This is the most common one. The food is very good. The movie was very good. Let's upgrade this to something stronger. Excellent. Excellent means extremely good or of the highest quality. This pizza isn't just very good, it is excellent. When you use power words like excellent, people trust your opinion more. You sound like you know what quality is. And finally, number 5. Something is very bad. Maybe the traffic was terrible, or the weather ruined your plans. Stop saying very bad. Say awful. Awful means very unpleasant or of poor quality. The traffic today was awful. It sounds stronger. It sounds like a native speaker who is truly frustrated. So here's the rule. If you have to use very to describe something, try to find the power word instead. Here's your mission for today. Pick one of these power words: thrilled, exhausted, freezing, excellent, or awful, and use it in a real sentence today. Send it in a text message or just say it out loud to yourself. Feel the difference in your confidence. And tell me in the comments, which power word is your favorite? I want to see which one you choose. Thank you for upgrading with me today. Clarity is a skill you can build. Practice smart, and I'll see you next time.